Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're just going to polish this aluminum tray with the CJ's Master Formula Metal Gloss to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this metal gloss and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum tray till it's as dark as possible. Then I'm going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. CJ's Master Formula is a US made metal polish that works especially well on aluminum, helping bring back a bright, clean shine. It leaves the surface looking smooth, clear, and highly reflective. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.